So how do you add a website link to the iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now, as you are clearly interested in this type of tutorials, which I publish daily. So go ahead and do that and you'll never miss anything. Now, essentially, you have some ability to add the link to your iPad, right? So you might be browsing a website which you like, and in order to add it permanently to your iPad, just click on the share button and then click on more, which are the three dots right here. And you should be able to find an option which says add to the home screen. And when you do that, you essentially turn the link into an icon which will appear on your home screen. It will kind of behave like an app in a sense that it has its name and the icon, which is like movable. You can put it anywhere you want. And you are like saving or adding that link to your iPad permanently because it's always visible. But you might mean it in a different sense, technically, right? For example, you have a link on a different device, like on your iPhone, and you want to share it or add it to your iPad. In that case, you can just be inside of Safari as well. Click on the three dots on your iPhone, for example, and just share the link like this. And you can share it through AirDrop, which is like over the air. You just move it to the iPad, or you can send it over email or messages or some other platforms as well. So this is how it works. If you had some other things that you wanted to achieve, or if you still have some questions, go ahead and leave them below in the comments. That's going to be about it from me. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'm going to catch you later in the future content. So thanks a lot. I'll see you then.